Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's lesson we will learn about tuples and solve practical tasks. Implement a function getTuple which returns a tuple of given integer digits. Okay, example, we have this. Have integer some number and it returns tuple 8 7 1 7, like it's separate. Okay, how we can solve this? Actually, you should create a function passing the parameter num integer and return tuple, and then we should return tuple. We are using map. It's a built-in function, and as you can see here, you should pass function and then iterator. Okay, we are passing integer here. Integer is class, so we can pass here integer for each of them, and then we are converting our initial number to string because map accepts only iterable, but our number, if we make it like this, it's not iterable. It's just a number. If we will convert it to string, now it's iterable. How we can check this? Actually, it's really simple. Let me show you. Define if string. Okay, we have num integer, and we can let's for now comment them out. We get a number here and num string equals to string number. Now we can for I in num string print I. Now our number is iterable because we converted to string. How we can check this? If string, let's test it out. 1, here you can see 8 7 1. We are iterating our, because it's converted to string. If we will let's put num here. Now we can't, here you can see int object is not iterable. Okay, I hope you understand. Let's back our task. That's why we are converted string. Here it will be iterable because map function gets iterable. And last, we just use tuple and return it. Really simple. Python 3 task 1. Okay. Okay, let's pass some number and print this out. Hit to enter Python. Okay, we have a result. It's a tuple and 8 7 1 7. Let's move on. Practical task 2. Implement a function getPairs which returns a list of tuples containing pairs of elements. Let me close. We give an example. getPairs and list of integers 1 2 3 8 9. And here we return the list of tuples, paired tuples. 1 2 2 3 3 8 8 9. Okay, it's the same scenario as strings. Need to sleep more. If we pass only one value, we should return empty because there's single value, there's no pair. Okay, we should write the function getPairs, pass the list and return the list of tuples. Yeah, it could be any, as you can see here, it could be integer, it could be string. That's why we put any data type. Here just using the list, it's built-in, passed iterable here, zip with iterators. In our case it's a list, and we are using the zip function to make it paired and just return this. Let me test it. 1 2 2 3 3 8 8 9.